In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can update all your apps at once. You can simply update all your iPhone apps at once in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your App Store, tap on your profile icon just right here. On this page, you will see all apps that need to be updated. You can select to any app and tap on Update to get the latest version of updates. To update all at once, you will have to just right here on Update All. Every app on your iPhone that needs an update will get updated successfully. That's how easy it is to update all apps on your phone at once. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.